Now we've got our first layer done. It's the tomato sauce and the lasagna noodles. Now we're going to go ahead and add our mushroom and pepper mixture. Just want to spread all of that on top. Get our hands in there if you want to. Just want to spread that evenly. Now we're going to cover it with 1 cup of the mozzarella. I'm actually going to add a little bit more just because I like cheese. And then the remaining of the Parmesan.